Hey guys, Dr. Rob here today, and we are going to talk about how to make your own homemade vapor rub and why you should not use the petroleum jelly based ones. So there's different vapor rubs out there. You've seen them in the little blue containers. You rub it on your chest. It's all mentholated. It helps open up your nose. So the menthol and the smell that's in there is great. The problem is the petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly contains substances called PAHs. And these PAHs that are in the petroleum are linked to cancers. They are stored in the liver, kidney, and the fatty tissues of the body. And when they're in the body, they actually turn into more dangerous compounds. In fact, the Environmental Working Group, they gave them a 4 on the health safety rating scale. So, which is not super great, it's not super horrible, but it's certainly not something I want to lather up on my body. So how do you do it naturally? How do we avoid these harmful PAHs, and how do we do this naturally? So simple. All you have to do is get 2 ounces of coconut oil, add about 10 drops of your favorite eucalyptus oil to your coconut oil, and about 2 drops of peppermint. You mix that together, you have your own homemade vapor rub. Now, store it in a glass container. The reason why is because the oil from the coconut oil will interact with your plastics, and it will pull things out of the plastics like phthalates and other type of toxic compounds that you don't want in your body. You could also add immunostimulating herbs like oregano and thyme, although you might smell like a pizza. These are really good for your immune system. I'm not here to promote a certain brand of essential oil. I'm just trying to tell you, don't use the vapor rubs that are made from petroleum jelly and rub those all over your body. You know where that stuff came from too? Petroleum jelly originally came from the ship workers that would be drilling for oil, like on their oil rigs, like their pump. It wasn't like a handheld pump, but you know, on the pumping mechanism, all this black jelly this dark black jelly would build up along the sides. And the workers noticed if they put that on their skin, it helped protect their skin, which it does. It creates a barrier and seals you from the outside environment. However, it's all this toxic junk, that's all it is. So they just remove the coloring and you just get yuck. So don't use the yuck. Instead, use the natural good stuff. Use the coconut oil, the eucalyptus, the peppermint oil. So I wanted to take a moment and just introduce you to the people that you're going to get this free consult with. So the first is our naturopath, Pam DeBeese.
Hi.
So Pam, you want to tell them a little bit about yourself?
I'm a naturopath here, also the senior case manager. I've been doing this for, June, 22 years.
22 years.
22
wow.
years.
And then Tanika, our certified health coach. Tanika, you want to tell them about yourself for a second?
Sure. So I am the certified health coach, and I've been doing this for about 2 years.
Yep. And these two are just 2 amazing human beings. They're so intelligent. They're so knowledgeable. And I'll tell you, a consultation with these guys, easily $50 to $100 value. And you guys are getting it for...
Free.
For how much?
Free.
For free. That's it. You guys are getting it for free. So please take advantage of that. We want to help you. Reach out to us and talk to these guys. These guys are amazing. Cool. We'll see you. Bye.
Bye.